Good day, my name is David Mahape. Today I'll be presenting a topic in AI governance. Our topic today is implementing effective AI governance programs, a framework for responsible, secure, and compliant artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence drives digital transformation, but without governance, it introduces ethical, legal, and operational risk. This framework aligns with ISO 42001, NIST AI RFM, and OECD principles to balance innovation accountability. AI governance ensures responsible design, deployment, and oversight of AI systems. It combines ethical design, compliance, technical assurance to protect human rights, fairness, and transparency. The foundation of AI governance. AI governance is guided by 5 principles. Accountability is to assign responsibility across stakeholders, while transparency is to ensure visibility and explainability. Fairness by eliminating bias and discrimination. Security to protect AI systems and data. Compliance to make sure that we adhere to standards and laws that governs AI solutions. There are AI governance pillars. There are 8 key pillars to form a holistic AI governance model. First is leadership and strategy, policy and governance, data governance, model risk management, transparency and explainability, security and privacy, compliance and audit, and continuous learning. Technical implementation framework. AI governance must align with AI lifecycle. 1, design and strategy. In this stage, we define risk and approval workflows. Number 2, data management to ensure quality, consent and privacy. 3, model development to make sure that version control is used and peer review is always implemented, is conducted. Validation and testing. We conduct bias and adversarial testing to make sure that the system vulnerabilities have been addressed. Deployment, we integrate with compliance gates, monitoring to check drift, bias, and compliance. Data governance requirements. Key components of strong data governance are as follows: data inventory and classification, data lineage and traceability, data governance assurance, data quality assurance, access control and privacy, bias detection, mitigation, consent management, data minimization and retention. AI solution needs to be integrated with cybersecurity. Hence why AI governance must integrate with cybersecurity frameworks to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Hence why it's important to use zero trust principle to conduct regular assessment, leverage SIM solutions or SOAR tools for continuous monitoring. AI system must reflect ethical values, cultural diversity, ensure compliance with GDPR. As for Botswana, it should comply with Data Protection Act of 2018 and EU AI Act of 2024. It must maintain we must maintain human oversight in high impact domains. Like any solutions, any system, there are challenges and mitigations. Common challenges include shortages of skills. Hence why we need to conduct cross-train all teams. We need to cross-train all teams. We need to train all teams. And then regulatory complexity. We should make sure that we harmonize the frameworks. And then algorithmic bias. We should conduct regular audits. Accountability gaps. We need to define ownership. Most of the time, we do not know. It's not clear who is responsible for what. So we need to make sure that all that is well documented and everyone knows their roles. Technology drift, we need to conduct continuous training, retraining, resistance. We need to promote AI governance value within the organization. The future of AI governance, the future of AI governance will adapt to emerging technologies like quantum computing and edge AI. Hence, each and every organization must adopt post-quantum cryptography and localize the governance and domain-specific standards. We therefore have 10 recommendations that needs to be in place when implementing AI solution. 1, establish centralized AI governance framework. 2, form cross-functional governance committees. 3, implement strong data governance. 4, integrate cybersecurity and risk management. 5, continuous monitoring and auditing. 6, foster ethical, human-centered AI. 7, have capacity building. 8, transparency. 9, automation. 10, international collaboration with other institutions and organizations in your field or regulatory bodies that deals with your, that governs your business. We therefore conclude that AI governance is a strategic imperative embedding accountability, transparency, fairness, and compliance through the AI lifecycle, foster trust, and ensures responsible innovation. Thank you so much for your time.